Good Thursday evening, everybody. Look at the national radar, and you can see snow, thunderstorms, and possible severe weather. You can see down there in Key West, Florida, they're getting hammered right now. The West, you're seeing some snow. We actually had reports today of over 20 inches of snow from that low pressure system that we had. We got 20 inches of snow in Vermont. Not just today alone, the entire 3 days that the storm was here, possibly more days. Look at the satellite and radar for the Northeast. You can see just a few pop-up clouds and pop-up showers throughout the Northeast, but you can take a look at the satellite. A nice spin out there in the atmosphere, but it's not a low pressure system. We had more showers activity today in and around Cape Cod, and we have a stationary front up there in Canada, which really isn't doing much harm at all. So we do have clouds back off to the west, which will be building as the weekend progresses, and we could actually see some rain as the weekend ends. Current temperatures around the nation, you can see those 70s and 80s, sharp cutoff of 60s and 30s, almost freezing, and that's just a couple 100-mile radius, guys. So that's really a huge difference. 64 in Hartford right now, 66 in Groton, so it's actually warmer along the shoreline in parts than it is in the middle of the state. Tonight's lows, look at that, 10s and 20s, teens and 20s in the west, but you can see in the Northeast, 30s, right around 40 degrees, 40s, 50s, 30 degrees up in northern New England. You can see those 70s. That's going to be our daytime highs, guys. For tomorrow, tomorrow's high is going to the 70s, almost 80 degrees, guys. So we were just missing it by just a little bit. We have 90s down there in Texas. Thursday, we saw some more snow and the rain. That's all departing. Warmer air expands. So this is today's setup. All that rain and snow recedes and moves out. An outstanding Friday is going to be upon us. A high pressure system will bring 70s and 80s, almost 80 degrees in Connecticut. And I'll give you the link to the 5-day forecast. It's on our website, www.wxmedia.ning.com. Check out the 5-day forecast. You're going to be surprised. Unfortunately, we don't have it in the video today. This weekend, going to be very warm and some severe weather out there in the middle of the country where we saw the severe weather last weekend. Friday, tomorrow's setup, much warmer air, all associated with a high pressure system. Chilly air persists, and that's all associated with a low pressure system that's going to be moving out that caused over 20 inches of snow. Current futurecast, you can see all that heavy rain in the Midwest. That's all headed our way for Sunday night. And let's take you to the NAM model. Some very heavy rain actually going to be just to the west of us. But you can see, let's take a look at the NAM. That blue, that's kind of heavy rain, guys. By the end of this loop, we're seeing more blues pop up. We can see a couple of showers. If you take a look at the precipitation map, this is the NAM. Take you 84 hours out. So we do get a little rain, but look at all this. We have around 6 to 8 inches. That's a lot of rain, guys, in 84 hours. That's a lot of rain. That's what we usually see in 2 months. Alright, now this is the 500 millibar map. This is in the upper atmosphere. This is not surface temperatures. We're going to show you surface temperatures in just a second, but actually the upper atmosphere will be warming as well, guys, into the 70s, almost 80 degrees. So it's going to be very warm tomorrow. Let's take a look at the surface temperatures for the next 3.5 days. You can see very warm air for this weekend. Look at all those 90s down there in the Carolinas and Virginia. Very, very nice weather. A couple shout outs today. 3 shout outs. Tom, SNEweather.blogspot.com. Anthony, SNEweather.ning.com. And next, the New England Weatherlife.ning.com. All 3 very nice websites. So check those websites out, guys. And our website, wxmedia.ning.com. Register, guys. It's all free, and you can also follow us on Twitter, WX Media, for the latest updates, blog posts, YouTube videos, and more. I leave you now today with 7 photos of what went down in the entire country, and some of these photos are from the Northeast. Have a great day, everybody.
Much no more here, perhaps the end is drawing near. You never hear the shot that takes you down.